So the next company is Guangzhou Jitai. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, welcome Jitai. Hi, good to see you again. I remember you that in Jen's first broadcast, you were the first company in Jen's video. So would you mind tell us your name?
Yes, my name is Monica.
Oh, Monica.
Monica.
Welcome, Monica. Great to see you here again. So today, because we have our new client for Thailand market, so our Thailand market may not see the video last time. Would you mind to also do as a brief introduction of your company and product for the one that they didn't know you? Thank you.
Yes. So now, I'm Monica, and I work in Guangzhou Joint Task Chemical Company Limited. My company, founded in 1989, is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in research and development, production, and sales of the environmental friendly sealant and coatings. Yes, our company main in two kind of products. One is the sealant. Yeah, I don't know if you know the sealant is just to bond for something. If you want to bond for something, you just use sealant. And the other one is the painting. Like sometimes we use the painting in the wall in our.
Hi, Monica. I think we lost you. We lost you just now. We cannot hear your voice.
Oh, there's just a phone call. So you just lost me, right?
Oh.
Yes. So now
doesn't matter. Let's do it again.
I'm going to say the other things. Yes. We have two brands, and Joint Task is about painting, N-Task is about sealant, and I just introduced the sealant and painting to you because I think maybe you don't know about this field, so I explain it. And our company Joint Task has been limited on the SME board of Shenzhen Stock Exchange. The stock code is 002909 in 2017. So now I will introduce you about the electronic sealant because the lighting show is about the lighting. Actually, our company have a lot of kind of sealant. We have the construction sealant and we have construction sealant, home fit out and retrofitting sealant, something like this. But today, I will say something about the electronic sealant. Yes. Here we can see, first of all, is the silicone coating compound. Like the package about this sealant is like this. This is about 25 kilograms. This is our silicone coating compound. This is two compounds, have part A and part B. It is used in LED driver like this. Maybe you don't know maybe you don't know the compound, but you maybe know this thing, the LED drivers. This is very important in the lighting, and our sealant is like this one. And why would we use this sealant in the LED drivers? Because we want to protect this kind of electronic component. Sometimes there have some water or the water, and this will broke. Yes, we all know the electronic is really we cannot let the water into this kind of things. And I want to introduce some the we supply for this kind of companies here. And this one is very famous, the electronics, and which is one of the most famous LED driver company in the world, has been using our two-component silicon coating compound for almost 6 years. And some of the LED drivers that used our coating compound were used in the Statue of Liberty. As we all know, Statue of Liberty is so famous and is so great. And there have some light in Statue of Liberty. And the light of the LED driver, they used our silicon coating compound. Yes, that's great, right?
Yeah, that's great. And maybe it's your product to make the Statue of Liberty durable.
Yes. And second is the silicon adhesive sealant, like this. And this one is used for electronics for bonding. This is the big package, is about 2.6. Sometimes we use this in the lamps. We use the sealant to bond for something we need to bond in the lightings. Yeah, this is their application. Some of them are used in LED lamps, and some of them are used in photovoltaic module. For example, and you can see like this product, and as we all know, the photovoltaic module is very famous these years in China, and so many companies that make these things, they are really rich, and they export a lot of the module to the board. So our sealant is for bonding of this module for voltage modules. Yes, this one is great too.
That's very cool. That's for big project.
Yeah, this is very big project. And the third, I want to say something about the thermal conductivity silicon glue. It's like this one, and it is for filling and heat dissipation of gap between battery packs of electronic car. Just sometimes we use this kind of sealant to the electronic car like BYD. I don't know if I say that right, but this is a very famous
brand
company to make the electronic car. Yes, they use something like this to. Yes, like this. Here is it. I don't know the full name. I just know the BYD.
Yeah, this is a very famous brand, China brand energy car.
Yeah, we also supply our sealant to that company. Is very famous. Sometimes this company also offers some electronic bus to like Brazil, like this. Yes. Okay. And I also want to show you something about the charity of our company. And you can see here when the COVID is very serious, and our company donate a lot of money and a lot of things to the hospital. And you can see here, yes, and this. Yes. Okay. Let's go to here, and we can see this is our worker, is our colleagues in our company, and they go to pick up some garbage. You can see here is a lot of garbage. We want to protect the nature, and we want to tell a lot of people you cannot throw the garbage anywhere. You have to protect the natural, and you cannot throw the garbage anywhere you want. And this here is our company to donate some money to some children to know about birds, and also to teach them how to protect the animals, to protect the naturals. Yeah, that's our company, and you can see the market, the international market. This is our international market. We have some agents in Turkey and Thailand and Australia and some other countries. Yes, I'm just curious about. I know this is about the Thailand market, and so you work in Thailand or you just work in China. I'm curious about that because today is for the Thailand market.
Yeah, today is for the Thailand market, and we will recommend our video, our show to the Thailand client, and we will also do a lot of advertisement in Thailand. And I could see from your presentation, you're very care about our society, the environment, and care about teaching the children, and you will spend a lot on helping the society about it. And I will have a few questions that for our client, if you could answer me or let us better know more about you. Like the first one, the first product you're showing us is things that about use for LED driver. And to me, that it made me feel like the LED driver, the waterproof LED driver, because using your product, so it make it up to the IP standard. So would you tell us more about that?
Okay. So do you have anything more you want to know about it? The application of this compound is want to, like you can see, this is what we put a lot of the compound into the LED driver, like this one, and sometimes we also use another things just to put on this. And just as I said, because you can see this one is really just to protect this kind of component, just to protect this electronic component from the water or some oxygen, something like this. We have to ensure the safety of this electronic component. Yes, this is about
because there's a lot of companies that are show out today. They were also manufacture drivers, so maybe they could use your product.
Yes.
So Monica, would you mind tell us your phone number so that the company show out today or our Thailand market client, anyone who need your product, that they could contact you?
My phone number or my WeChat number? Or
anyone you want to let us know.
Okay, wait a minute. Here, this is my WeChat number.
And with 4A behind. So
yes,
that's
YQ and 4A and
okay, YQ plus 4A. So please contact Monica if you're interested in about Monica's product.